Hi, my name is Nakeya, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. So as the title of this video suggests, this is day one of Vlogmas. What is Vlogmas, you may ask? Well, it's basically a challenge that social media influencers or anyone who creates content put themselves on to post content and post videos every day in December. So this will be my third year. Last year was my first year actually completing the challenge. So this year I plan to complete the challenge as well. So during these 24 days, you will see me out and about doing the things that I normally do. I'm going to be promoting my Divine Life and Home Planner for 2025 and also the relaunch of the Home and Life Organizational full course. So I just relaunched it and I'm so excited about this course. This year the course actually comes with a planner, so I'm very excited about that. You're also going to get a peek in some of the activities that I may attend, and then also I think I will start sharing some of my elf on the shelf shenanigans. So please buckle up and stay tuned, and I hope to have you on this journey with me. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you and have a divine day. Goodbye.